giant scary storm cloud! Evasive maneuvers back to Centopia!
No, we can't give up just like that.
I gotta say, for once, I'm with Captain Panic over there.
Mia, we can't get caught in this storm. There's nowhere to touch down. We've got to turn.
Evade faster!
Don't you worry, I got this under control!
No!
Mia, drive!
Look!
Gotcha!
Whoa! Was that the royal balloon? My eyes are playing tricks on me. Better come inside, little friend. It's gonna get rough out here. Quick!
Lucky for us, Yuko got us to the island. That's just the kind of pilot she is. Know what? I think the balloon's a okie dokie. This I can fix. Whoop. On second thought,
All our food supply is gone.
Along with the friendship rings.
But we're alive. That's good news.
Okay, I'm game. Good news how?
Well, this is where the butterfly guided us. For a reason. Seema must be somewhere on this island.
then go and find him. I'll stay here and fix the balloon.
Good idea, Phuddle. No time to lose. Let's go.